I am going to the first topic, arithmetic progression. AP means arithmetic progression, GP means geometric progression, HP means harmonic progression. In arithmetic progression, if you see examples, there will be equidistance, difference will be same. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. The series will be like this. Series means there will be some logic followed. Series means there will be some logic followed. Here you can see plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, something like that. Okay. So addition is happening over here. The difference is common. Any two consecutive numbers, consecutive means successive numbers, the difference is common. Okay, that is called arithmetic progression. There will be a common difference between successive two numbers. Consecutive numbers, the difference will be very common. Okay, this is called arithmetic progression. Coming to geometric progression, if you take an example, it will be 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 2, 16, 16 into 2, 32, 32 into 2, 64. I am taking a very easy series so that you will understand. The multiplication factor will be same. Any two consecutive numbers, any two successive numbers, the multiplication factor ratio will be same. Any two successive numbers, second number by first number, okay, the ratio will be same. So we will have a common ratio, here a common difference, and in geometric progression we will have a common ratio R, okay, that is the thing. Coming to the last one, harmonic progression. If you go with an example, we can take 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5, 1 by 6, etc. This is an example for harmonic progression. Denominators will be in arithmetic progression. In harmonic, the thing is, denominators will be in arithmetic progression. Okay, so I am coming back from the beginning. In arithmetic progression, the difference will be common between any two successive numbers. And if you take nth term in the series, for example, I have put dot 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 here. If nth term, what is the nth term? If I ask a question mark, if I ask you for 50th term, okay, 50 is the n. 50th term, what is the 50th term? So after that again numbers are there. Okay, like that it goes up to infinity. And if I ask you particular term, nth term, what is the term? In arithmetic progression, the formula is a plus n minus 1 into d. A is the first term, d is the common difference, n is the which term you want, 50th term or 100th term, like that, which term you want. A plus n minus 1 into d, this is the formula for finding nth term in arithmetic progression. Coming to the next thing, arithmetic mean. This is nothing but average. Arithmetic mean is nothing but average. We know how to find average. If you have 6 subjects, you have the marks of 6 subjects. How you find the average? Sum of the marks divided by count. How many subjects you are adding? Count. Okay. So sum of the items by number of the items, or sum of the objects. Sum of the objects by number of the objects. That is the formula for average. Okay. Other name for average is arithmetic mean. And in short, it can be written as capital AM. Okay, the formula is written here. Sum of the objects, sum of the terms, sum of the items. Okay, that will be the numerator. Denominator is count. How many terms you are adding? How many objects you are making the sum? Okay. Now coming to sum of n terms. Sum of n terms in arithmetic progression. It is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula for sum of n terms. Not particular nth term, but it is from the first term to nth term making the sum. Okay, and the LHS I have written Sn, which means sum. Finding sum of 10 terms, 50 terms, 100 terms, we can make the sum using this formula. Let this be equation number 1, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, this is all about AP, arithmetic progression. Now I am going to geometric progression. First term is again denoted by the symbol A. In GP also, first term is denoted by symbol A. A into r power n minus 1 is the nth term. A into r power n minus 1 is the nth term. So you can find what is the 20th term in geometric progression, what is the 40th term in geometric progression, whichever you want. Coming to geometric mean, it is square root of two things you can make nth product of n terms. If you have two numbers, okay, if you have a and b are the two numbers in geometric progression, okay, if you want geometric mean, it is square root of ab. All these things you studied in class 9, 10. Okay, so this is the formula for geometric mean if you have two numbers. And sum of n terms formula is a into 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r if the ratio is less than 1. If the ratio is greater than 1, you have to put r power n followed by minus 1. Denominator also r minus 1. Okay, this is about sum of n terms in geometric progression. If infinite terms, sum of infinite terms required, then the formula is a by 1 minus r. A by 1 minus r. This is about sum of infinite terms. Now I am going to harmonic progression. Harmonic progression, it will be in this fashion. The terms reciprocal of AP. Harmonic progression is nothing but reciprocal of AP. Okay. So you can write 1 by 2, 1 by 4. Already AP I have given first example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 like that. So the same thing you can use it here. 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 6, 1 by 8, 1 by 10, etc. This is an example for harmonic progression. Okay. Now coming to harmonic mean. The formula for harmonic mean is 2ab by a plus b. You are finding mean for only two numbers. You are taking mean only for two numbers. So 2ab by a plus b is the harmonic mean. Arithmetic mean is average, sum of the objects by number of objects. Geometric mean is square root of ab, and harmonic mean is 2ab by a plus b. And now coming to the relation between this AGH, okay, the means, relation between the means, generally the arithmetic mean will be higher value than the geometric mean, and geometric mean will be higher value than the harmonic mean. Okay, AM greater than GM greater than HM. This is the relation. This is one relation. Next relation is AH equal to G square. Arithmetic mean into harmonic mean equal to geometric mean square. Arithmetic mean into harmonic mean equal to geometric mean square. Okay. These are the basics. These are the basics required for the series AP, GP, HP.